My father is one of the founders of Hamas. To this side of truth. Anybody can argue, say, this is not the side of truth, but I prefer to be here. I don't want to be on the other side. And I will actually resist the other side that is lustful for territory, for power, to dominate, to kill like mad dogs, street dogs, marking their territory, pissing all over the place, say, this is mine. My land. It's not your land. It's no one's land. It belongs to the divine. Israel was at the most religious holiday. And they took advantage of that. Killing so many